Italy, when at the epicenter na Europe, no report of any new case today or report say anybody die today. 10 countries out of 54 na Africa still no report of any coronavirus yet. Amongst them, you get Sierra Leone, where been badly hit by the Ebola virus with over 3,000 people will be lost alive. This and plenty other things them dey for you no go know inside I come back just now. Welcome back to your program We Had. Today, we will focus on new cases them of the coronavirus when they come up and the amount of people them will die for this day when March 24th, 2020. Before we go into that, I want to say sorry to all our viewers them. For where it be not take some time, we know they come up with program due to technical reasons. I'm happy for telling us say we go begin come to on every day, but sadly with update of the coronavirus. We're not going to do dual presentation as we used to do because you know say we're not supposed for the near too much. You know where we they talk, the facing yourself, you never know speech go come on at somebody not gonna pass in hand or in face. And this now one of the things them way the medical people then say we know what they do. So and you know say we they move out regularly, so we want to make sure say we self where they give una information stay safe. But now we stand Usman Justin go always they give me the technical support for make sure say things they go on very well. And as I tell you, they give una the update of the cases them where they come up per day and the number of people them where they die per day. So we will start with the first country where na China who started this whole thing been begin. China today then get 39 new cases them and then get 9 people them we die. Italy where na the epicenter of Europe not get any new case and there no report of anybody we die today. United States of America get 7,004 new case and 54 people them we die. Spain get 4,321 new case with 434 people them we die. Germany gets 2,685 new cases them with 21 people them we die. Iran get 1,411 new cases them and then get 127 people them we die. France get 671 new cases them, but they no report of anybody we don't die yet. And South Korea get 64 new cases them with 7 people them we don't die. Switzerland get 1,073 new cases them with 20 people them we die. UK, United Kingdom get 154 new cases them with 8 people them we die. And Netherlands get 545 new cases them with 34 people them we die. Austria get 493 new cases them with 5 people them we don't die. We get Belgium, we get 342 new cases them with 13 people they will die. Remember say this now update for just the 23rd of March 2020. The cases them will come, the new cases them will come up today and the number of people them will die today. Norway gets 162 new cases them with 3 people them will die. Portugal gets 460 new cases them with 9 people them will die. Sweden gets 112 new cases them with 4 people them will die today. Australia gets 108 cases them and they no report of any person will die today. Brazil gets 74 new cases them and then have no report of anybody will die today. Canada gets 93 new cases them with 1 new death. Then you get Malaysia 212 cases them with 4 people them we die today. Denmark gets 55 new cases them with 11 people them we die today Monday March 23. Israel gets 167 cases them for Monday. They don't get anybody who wouldn't die. Turkey no get any new case and they no report of any person wey don die. You get Czechia wey get 45 new cases them. They have no report of anybody wey die today Monday. Japan no get any new case today and they no report of any person wey die today Monday, March 23rd, 2020. Ecuador get 192 new cases them with 4 people them wey die today Monday. Ireland no get any new case today and they no report of any person wey die today. Pakistan gets 97 new case with just 1 die. Luxembourg no get any new case and they no report of anybody wey die. Chile get 114 new cases them with 1 person wey die. Thailand gets 122 new cases them. They no report of anybody wey die today. Diamond Princess na one boat wey they abor na Japan. Himself no get any new case and they no get anybody wey they report say die inside that ship day today. And Finland gets 74 new case them and they no report of any person wey die. Greece gets 71 new cases them and then get 2 people wey die. Poland gets 58 new case with 1 person wey die. Iceland gets 20 new cases, they no report of any death. Indonesia gets 65 new cases with just 1 die. And Romania gets 143 new cases them with 2 people wey die. Saudi Arabia gets 51 new cases, they no report of any person wey die. Singapore gets 54 new cases, them they no report of anybody wey die today. Qatar no gets any new case and they no get any new death today. India gets 71 new case with 2 people that wey die. The Philippines get 82 new cases them with 8 people them wey die today Monday, March 23rd, 2020. Slovenia gets 28 new cases them with 1 person wey die. Russia gets 71 new case, they no get any death. South Africa gets 128 new cases them wey come up today. They no get any person wey die today. Peru no get any new case and they no get anybody wey die today. Hong Kong get 38 new cases them, they no get any die. Estonia gets 26 new cases them, they no get anybody wey they report say die. Bahrain gets 5 new cases them, they no get any person wey die. Egypt no get any new case and death. Mexico gets 65 new cases but they no report of any person wey die today. Croatia gets 61 new cases, nobody no die. Panama gets 0 case with 0 people them. Panama no get any new case and die today. Lebanon gets 19 new cases, they no get any die. Iraq gets 33 new cases with 3 people them wey die. Argentina no get any new case or anybody wey die today. Serbia gets 27 new cases but nobody they no report say die today. Dominican Republic gets 43 new cases, they no report of anybody wey die today. Colombia gets 4 new cases with 1 person wey die. Algeria gets 29 new cases, nobody they no report say die. Bulgaria gets 14 new cases, they no report of anybody wey die today. UAE wey na the United Arab Emirates gets 45 new cases them, but they no report of anybody wey die today. Taiwan gets 26 new cases, they no report of anybody wey die today. Armenia no get any new case today and they no get anybody wey they report say die today. Kuwait gets 1 new case but they no report of anybody wey die today. San Marino gets 12 cases, they no report of anybody wey die. Slovakia gets 1 new case, they no report of anybody wey die. Latvia gets 41 new cases, nobody no die. Hungary gets 36 new cases with 1 person wey die. Lithuania gets 17 new cases, they no report of anybody wey die. Uruguay no get any new case or person wey die today. North Macedonia gets 21 new cases with 1 person wey die today. And remember say this na update for just the 23rd of March, today Monday the 23rd of March 2020. And the last updates, them figures there, so where they give you 1700 hours GMT. And I continue with the rest of the figures, then we come up. Morocco gets 19 new cases, they no report of any person will die. Costa Rica not get any new case and they no report of anybody will die today. Andorra gets 20 new cases, they no report of anybody will die today. Bosnia and Herzegovina, they get 4 new cases, no report of anybody will die today. Vietnam gets 10 cases, no report of anybody will die today. Faroe Island gets 3 new cases, but there no report of anybody will die today. You get Cyprus get 21 new cases, there no reports of anybody will die today. Jordan no report of any new case or death today. Moldova get 15 new cases, there no report of any new die, there no report of any death. Malta gets 17 new cases, there no report of any death. Albania gets 15 new cases with 2 people will die. New Zealand no report of any new case and anybody will die today, Monday the 23rd of March 2020. You get Burkina Faso gets 24 new cases. There no report of any person will die today. Sri Lanka gets 12 cases, but there no report of anybody will die today. Brunei gets 3 new cases, there no report of anybody will die today. Remember, say I give you update of the coronavirus case them, the new case them for the 23rd of March 2020, when at today, Monday, we make the coronavirus 114 days from where they report them on the 1st of December 2019. Tunisia gets 14 new cases and they not get any person will die. Cambodia gets 2 new cases, they not get anybody will die. Belarus gets 5 new cases, nobody no die. Venezuela gets 7 cases and they no report of anybody will die. Ukraine no get any new case and they no tell we about, they no report about anybody will die. Azerbaijan gets 7 new cases and they no report of anybody will die today. Reunion gets 7 new cases. Then Senegal no report of any new case today of or any person will die. You get Oman gets 11 new cases, but no report of anybody will die today. Kazakhstan gets 2 new cases, no report of anybody will die today. Georgia gets 7 new cases, no death. Palestine no gets no case today and no death. Guadeloupe no gets any new case today. Cameroon gets 16 new cases, but nobody no die today. Trinidad and Tobago get 1 new case, they no get any death. Liechtenstein gets 9 new cases, they no report of anybody will die. Uzbekistan gets 3 cases, they no report of anybody will die. Martinique no get any new case and they no report of any person will die today. Then you get Afghanistan, self no report of any new case of or any person will die today. DRC, when are the Democratic Republic of Congo gets 6 new cases, they no report of anybody will die today. Nigeria gets 6 new cases and 1 person will die. And you get Channel Island, we get 4 new cases, they no report of anybody will die today. Cuba not get any new case and no report of any person will die today. You get Bangladesh get 6 new cases with 1 person will die today. Puerto Rico gets 8 new cases and 1 person will die. Then you get Guam gets 2 cases with no death. Mauritius no get any new case and no report of any person will die today. Bolivia gets 3 new cases, nobody no die today. Honduras gets 1 new case, nobody no die. Ivory Coast gets 11 new cases and no report of anybody will die today. Ghana gets 1 new case and no report of anybody will die today. Macau gets 2 new cases and no report of anybody will die today. Monaco, inside Monaco, there no report of any new case and nobody no die today. Montenegro, they get 1 new case and 1 person self died today. Paraguay no get any new case and nobody no die today. Mayotte get 10 new case, they no get anybody will die. French Guiana gets 2 new case. Guatemala no get any new case today and they no report of anybody safe will die. You get Guyana no get any new case today. Jamaica, Rwanda, French Polynesia, they no get new case and they no report of anybody wey die today. Togo get 2 new case, Barbados get 3 new case, they no report of anybody wey die today. US Virgin Island get 11 new case, Kenya get 1 new case, Kyrgyzstan get 2 new case. They all no report of people wey die today. Then you get Gibraltar, no report of any new case or person wey die today. Isle of Man get 8 new case. Madagascar gets 9 new case. They no report of anybody wey die today. Tanzania, Ethiopia, Mongolia, Aruba, they all no report of any new case or person wey die today. Equatorial Guinea gets 3 new case. New Caledonia gets 4 new case. They no report of anybody wey die today. Seychelles, Bermuda no get any new case and anybody wey they report say die today. Gabon no get any new case or person wey die today. Haiti get 3 new case, they no report of anybody wey die today. Saint Martin and Suriname no get any new case or person wey die today. Curacao get 1 new case. They no report of anybody wey die today. Bahamas, Greenland, they no get new case or person wey die today. Guinea get 2 new case, but nobody no die. Eswatini no get any case or person wey die. Cayman Island no report of any new case or person wey die today. Zimbabwe no get any new case, but they get 1 person wey die. Cabo Verde, Central African Republic, Congo, El Salvador, they all no get new case or person wey die today. Fiji get 1 new case, they no report of anybody wey die today. Liberia, Namibia, St. Barth, Zambia, they all no get new case or person wey die today. Gambia get 1 new case, 1 person wey die. Benin, Botswana, Mauritania, Nicaragua, Niger, St. Lucia, Antigua and Barbuda, they no get any new case or person wey die today. Belize get 1 new case, they no report of anybody wey die today. Chad, Djibouti, Dominica, Eritrea, Grenada, Vatican City, Montserrat, Mozambique, Papua New Guinea, St. Vincent, Grenadines, St. Martin, Somalia, Syria, and Timor-Leste, they no get any new case or person wey die today. Turks and Caicos get 1 new case, and Uganda no get any new case or person wey die today. So the total new case them for today na 22,666. Then the total number of people wey don die today na 801 as of the 23rd of March 2020 wey na today Monday, the last update 1700 hours. This is not the latest update. And I also want to give you a list of 10 countries them na Africa wey no report any coronavirus yet. Botswana, Burundi, Comoros, Lesotho, Libya, Malawi, Mali, Sao Tome and Principe, Sierra Leone, Swaziland, they all not report any new case yet. Before I go, I just want for left advice to my people and where they understand waiting at this talk. You know, especially with people have been listening to Radio Democracy, where people and they complain about the church and the mosques when they don't stop them for the go. For God's sake, it better for let you stop for going to church. Outside you go, you never know who that you go meet with. You don't know who that person don't touch, who that the person don't travel, come out. You know go know, because person they be healthy but they get the virus in them. You know go know. Some people and they get 14 days before they begin displaying a sign of the virus. Some people 28 days. It depends to the person in situation, in system. So you know go ever know the person go strong but they spread the virus. So it better we listen to waiting the government and they say, even WHO they say, listen to waiting we WHO they say and waiting the government and they say. So we get to make sure say we respect we government them and forget about politics. The other day I've been listening to somebody where they talk say Marabio na the first president in Africa we don't go to coronavirus. It's a shame on this particular person, because if Marabio gets coronavirus, the people are waiting there and they get them, and they all get family. The family they get party and party them. So the thing is spread very fast like bushfire in the Harmattan season. So it's a shame for let you talk this kind of thing about your country. put politics to answer and focus on national development. This na thing where we dey talk about sick. So do ya let we know wetin we dey do. And fake news them plenty now. I see the other day, they watch AYV. I see people they run to go take their pikin at school, say they don't come for give them vaccine for the coronavirus, this and that, all of them things and they. Please let we left for the spread false information. If we left to spread false information, the problem can happen. We go always self-responsible. If you want peace where you send on social media, it creates problem where you make people that lost their life, how you go feel? You go live with that kind of guilt until you die if you're not person with a conscience mind. So please, let me respect authority and let me listen to what they say. I'm very happy that the government don't stop all flights for coming inside Sierra Leone. I don't want to go into details because I gave your observation on that. But I'm very happy that they don't stop that. But one thing we I want for let the government they do as well, now for make them crossing points and the illegal crossing points and all. And not say the president in particular don't go work on some of them crossing points in there. But please, I want for then talk to the security then where they and the people where they around inside and they let them know the cross go over and let them not encourage anybody where they not sabi for can cross now inside them. By so doing, if we all be vigilant, we all be watch your neighbor, we go able for protect this particular sick lane reach inside Sierra Leone. And mind you, Liberia gets, Guinea gets, and Liberia and Guinea condom salon right now. The only roadway salon go pass for going to other country now if you pass through Liberia or Guinea. So please, if them two then they don't waiting, we in a very risky situation right now. So please let me make sure say we abide by the rules and regulation of the day. And I want for let you remember all the one that we don't die, especially Italy and other side where they suffer serious one right now as they lost some hope. Then the fight was like they know the fight. But please remember that in our prayer, not to pass you go to church or mosque, you can do them now oath. So I think say now that I want for left for now with today. I will make sure say we come with another update for now again tomorrow. But in the meantime, I want to say thank you very much for where you don't take your time for always the check on we. Even when we know they post, but I will make sure so they post now for now every day. Thank you very much to Usman Justin, we don't give me technical support. On all the other hand, one them we don't they advise me about things them where they go on or how they go about this particular program. Special thank you again to Awana to say where as well instead don't they support me for make sure say we put things them in order and do research them. Thank you very much to all man. Until we meet again, I want to say stay safe. And make sure say you not listen to any fake news or listen to something we go panic you, because that will make even without the sick self, stroke, hypertension, heart complaint, they go out and call them. It will make you die before you time. And remember say if you mind your body don't weak before the virus they come, you go die one day safe, or you will even die before the virus not touch you. So please don't make sure say we stay vigilant and not listen to things then where they make we act them well. Until we meet again, my name is Ali Sise. I want to say God bless you.